Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am getting ready to make a lemongrass rosemary essential oil blend soap. I'm going to keep this one really simple. It's just going to have some sage powder in it, and then I'm using the beetroot powder. And for the beetroot powder, it's red, but the red color does not survive saponification, and you'll see right there it's red going in. Sorry about the angle. It's red going in, but once you start to blend it in and it mixes with the lye and the oils, it actually turns to like a muted brown. It's a really nice muted brown. And there goes my little sage powder. For some reason I decided to split this batter out, and I think I probably in the future will just do a single color soap. I didn't add color to the second half, and so I feel like the color was a little bit too similar to the main batch. On the left, that main pot of soap batter. So I feel like this swirl kind of didn't go how I thought it would, but no big deal. Live and learn, and I will probably make it a little bit differently the next time around. But you can see the beetroot powder, it does become a little bit red here, and it can be a little difficult to blend in. So my suggestion, if you're trying to use it with a fragrance oil that might accelerate, maybe pre-mix it. That would probably be the best thing to do, just to make sure you don't get too many big clumps or speckles in your soap. But anyway, I'm going to keep mixing and pouring, and I'll be back for the cut. All right, and you can kind of see what I meant by the colors were a little too similar to kind of do any sort of swirl with this one. So next time I'll probably just do the beetroot powder in all of it, as well as the sage powder in all of it. But the soap smells really, really nice, and there's a nice little swirl, so it's nothing that I think anyone would be disappointed with. I'd probably just, for the sake of simplicity, do it with just a single color next time around. So anyway, I will let you guys finish watching the cut. Thanks so much for subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.